Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial is gonna be a tutorial about how to archive a photo from your profile on Instagram. So first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application, and whenever you open it, sometimes you will be bring into the home section, and there will be a 5 section on the Instagram. In a home, explore, this one is for creating your content, reels, and profile. You just need to jump into the profile section. And this profile section, you just need to decide which photos that you want to archive. For example, this one. You want to archive these photos. So to archive these photos, you just need to go click these 3 small dots, and after that, you just need to go click archive. And whoop, those picture has already disappeared from your profile. So that's the way how to archiving how to archive your photo from Instagram profile. If you find that today's tutorial is really useful for you, I will really appreciate you if you want to leave some comment on this video. So thank you for watching, and see you for the next video.